Yep, I've ran out of videos. So now I'm just bashing my head against the brick wall that is just Marvel Rivals. The main point, I'm getting Bucky lorded. So tap in, lock in, let's go.
Yo, can I get some heals? Yo, can I get some heals? Yo, apparently they're just blind.
Look who's here.
My god, I'm a chud that misses everything. How am I missing that? I'm a chud.
There you go, you're dead.
There you go. Oh my god, midair. Just whacked this shit, bro. Yo, what the frick is the Jubilee doing?
You're up!
What was she doing?
A nice deep freeze.
Stick around!
Bang, bro. Yo, like what they do, just line them up for me. Just huss.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Oh my god. Dominate me. Get back away, bro. Sorry, bro. I'll solo you. Nah, I'll dead solo you. I'll dead solo you. Come on. Fight me. Come on. Yeah, you losing that. Like, what are we talking about? Yep.
Kalen's kind of vulnerable.
Push me.
Get that beast moving again.
You got your shell snagged. Like, what y'all talking about?
One down. Time to rearm!
Hey, you wanna do it? Hey, let's go. Come on. You got shit smacked. Like, what we talking about? I'm going through it. I'm gonna go flank. My god, that was crazy.
Armed and dangerous again!
I'll do that shit again.
You're up again!
Give me that again. Come on. Like, what's we doing?
Armed and dangerous!
That's mine.
Again!
A nice freeze.
That's mine.
Three. Wow.
There we go.
Only 60 seconds left.
Again!
There we go.
Amazing.
Here they come! Again!
He saved himself off that.
6 in a row.
It don't matter though. It don't matter though. Is he gonna shoot it at me? Oh, he was. But it failed though. Who are you diving now? Who are you diving? Try to dive us, bro. You can't with me. You can't dive me when I'm on Bucky, bro. Like, what we doing now? They switched. Hulk, Angela, Thing. There's a few more. Editor, put them on screen right now. Put the ones that tried to dive me.
Tension, please.
Did you see it?
Hey, what you doing, bro? Hey, bro, we see you, dog. Hey, dog, we see you. Yeah, dog, we see you. Are you trying to push me off, bro?
You're up!
A nice deep freeze.
Yo, you do not want to do this, bro. No, come here. Stop running, bro. Stop running. Stop running. I'm telling you, stop running. What's little bro's trying to do? The fox is loose. Bro. Oh my god, I can push him off there. Push him! Oh my god! I got him! I don't care. I dead don't care. Yo.
Ain't exactly my style, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
My bad, just a little trash talk. Bro. Spidey switch, you go 0-6, bruh.
Always glad to help, partner.
This is your big
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Yo, they just comboed it. It don't matter though. How many kills did you get? 0. Oh my god. I did the spike switch.
Big win!
Bro. Yo, you cannot dive me. 0 and 8. Oh my god. Get your ass over here. Where you going? Come here. Oh my god, that was their clone.
Stick around! Voltage blast!
We push up with this. Oh my god, he's gonna fucking just go. Oh my god.
Armed and dangerous!
I'm getting that reset. Come on.
Again!
Again. Again. Come on.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
Now the important question is, did I level up? Oh my god, I am 10 away. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Is that a Bucky Barnes on their opposite team? Come here, bro! You're mine! What are you doing? Come here. Bang. Holy fuck, midair too.
Behold the god of thunder! Armed and dangerous!
Swear! I hate flying.
I know that look.
In quick play, dog.
Something's
It's a
whispering to you from the
1-3-2, dog.
shadows, isn't it?
I've been saying dog a lot. I don't know why.
Quiet. I understand this Got it?
Yo, I just realized. Yo, their ace is a 3 and 6 Spider-Man.
Always glad to help.
Okay. Oh my God. I can't even. Yo, I have to explain this for a little bit, but levels 13 through 16, my audio was fucked and I was sick the whole entire time. So I kind of just cut it out and I just made a montage with it. So yeah, I just had to explain that a little bit. Oh my god, he's got slammed. Come on, there we go. Now I'm following. Where you going? Come on, bro. Where you going? Oh my god, man. I'm yams. I'm straight yams. Oh my god, instantly, bro. Yo, really? What? You're staying out. Bang. Oh shit. Bang. Oh my god, headshot, come on. So now where you going now? Where you go? Come on. Is that the I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Come on! Where you going?
Your shiny face stuck.
Oh my god. I'm fragging out back here.
Armed and dangerous! We're done here!
Please! Yeah, bro.
Glad to help.
I didn't get the resets. Nah, bro. Oh, he about to clobber me. Hey, chill on me, please. Hey, Big Benji, take it easy on me. Okay.
You thought I was going for good.
Again!
Yeah, bro. Get me out!
That's what I needed.
Oh my god, I didn't. Get the fuck. Oh my god. No! Please!
Need one of these.
Let a brother get some heals. Let a brother get some heals. Let a brother get some heals. Alright. We all good?
Armed and dangerous!
Yes. Weird, bro. Weird. My cat. A cat just randomly jumped on my computer, on my keyboard, and then just like pressed Q for like no reason. 100%, bro. The weirdest thing just happened, bro. Like once in a million life thing just happened. Yeah, bro. See your bitch ass. Get your shit smacked, bro. Like, what are you doing? He's got his shit smacked out of him. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Yup. Could have pre-fired that. Please! Oh my god! Frag. Frag. Oh my god! Yo! Come on, bro. Hey? Oh my god, I'm a single level away. Don't look at my rank. I haven't played it all. Oh my god.
That's what I needed.
I go him. Help me out, help me out! Where the fuck the heals at?
That's what I needed.
Not cause I was right behind the Luna. Hold on. What the fuck are you doing? Answer yours. That's your mine. That's your mine. Come on, come on, big nigga. Come on. Oh, come on. Got me poppy. Got me poppy, bro. Oh my god.
Come back here!
Yo, what the hell?
About time I got a shield. We make a good team.
Oh my god.
By the
Push it.
eye of
Push it.
Agamotto!
Yo, they don't do anything. Let's go. Yo, they didn't even do nothing. They can't do nothing.
Only 60 seconds left.
Come here, bro. Did I just stop him? Yeah, I just stopped his ult. Nah, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold. Come on. Yo, Diego. You're doing yams.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Diego, please hop on a tank. Diego, why are you on a DPS? Oh my god, Diego, please, I swear to god. Next time I press tab, if you're not on a tank. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you, Diego. Diego, you're my lord and savior.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me.
Diego, my goat.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Diego. Diego's my MVP. Nah, he swapped when he's asked, bro. Diego's my MVP, dog. For you. My bad. Hey, let me back it up. Let me back it up a little bit, bro.
Armed and dangerous! Come back here!
Your shit about to get dipped. Your shit about to get dipped.
Really?
You're up!
Dip! Like out of here. I hear you.
Stick around!
Oh my god. Like, who are you diving at?
Armed and dangerous!
Waste it all. Yup, waste it all.
We're done here!
Come here, 1v1 me. And you got a healer in here, bro. Yeah, you're dead. You're yams, bro. Hop off the Bucky. You had a healer with you, by the way. That don't matter to me, low key. I was diffing the Bucky hard, bro. I would have won every 1v1. He had a healer with him. He was 2v1ing me. Like, come on now. Yo, Unk, I'm gonna need you to hop off the Bucky. It ain't for you no more. Yo, riddle me this.
You thought I was going
How
for good.
is our Widow Ace? You're a Lord Spider-Man going 1 in 5. Hop off the game, bro.
Did you really?
Yes. Oh my god. You are atrocious, bro.
That's what I
Yo, Juice.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Yo, you're so yams. When you use your ult, you didn't even kill me,
Going to
dog.
overtime.
Like, and you targeted me, by the way. My bad. I just had to say something. Oh my god. I was true locked in. I didn't even realize I am a lord. I cannot talk. Yo, can y'all stop conversing? Yo, at least someone agrees. Spider-Man, hang up the mask. Forget hang up the mask. Hang up the game. You know, I have to see it for myself. I gotta see it for myself. Let me see this. Oh my lord. I am currently Lord Winter Soldier, bruh. You know, it's currently July 25th. Editor, put on screen how many days it took to get this, bro. In my complete history, I have 17 hours on Winter Soldier. Y'all can look at all that. I don't really care. This took me a while, but I'm glad to say I am now a glad Winter Soldier Lord.
Feeling like that guy, hella shit, I'm feeling fly. If I put it up, I'm blacking out my ride. Put the time, whatever, nigga ain't talking die. I can't mess with you, no more, you fucking up my head.